If you want to use split view on macOS, it is very simple to do so. Just open the application that you would like to use in split view. So I'm assuming you have 2 or 3 apps that you want to use side by side. After you launch the app, on the top left of the app, hover your mouse icon over the green color over there. So which is the resizing option. Now you can see under move and resize, we have a couple of apps that we can choose to split. So here, if I want to fill and arrange, I can simply choose this towards the left hand side by selecting that. Now I want another application on the right hand side. So I'll open another app, then repeat the same process by hovering my mouse over the green icon there and just choose this on the right hand side. And now you can see I've split those apps simultaneously. If I want to resize more, I could select that and choose this to the minimum like this and select other applications in the process. That's all for this video. If you have got any questions, do feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in our next video.